In this clip, we're going to talk about wounds and lacerations in your pet. Wounds can occur for multiple reasons. We commonly see them because of animal bites, hit by car, barbed wire, or basically anything else that's sharp that can cause damage to the skin. The biggest concern with any wound is going to be infection. So we need to address these issues quickly to make sure they don't become more complicated. First and foremost, with any wound or laceration, you want to make sure that you're safe. So just with any other injury, pets can bite or scratch unintentionally if they're painful and you're trying to look at them. So first, get a muzzle or a friend to help you out to make sure that you don't get bit. Then you want to shave and clean the affected area. I usually recommend using betadine or even hydrogen peroxide to clean the wound. It's important to note that hydrogen peroxide is not meant to be used beyond that initial cleaning because it can actually slow down the healing process. If the cut or laceration or wound is below the skin surface, you need to see your veterinarian so they can address it and suture it. And with these things, sooner is better. If a wound is addressed within 2 to 3 hours, it can often be closed without any major issues. If it's superficial, you can treat it at home after the initial cleaning by making sure it stays clean and dry. You can actually use something called hydrotherapy, which is taking the sprayer from your sink or your shower and spraying that area off for about 10 to 15 minutes a day. Afterwards, you want to pat it dry. This is going to help stimulate the cells to heal, and it's also going to help deal with infection. But if you see any discharge or any deepening of the wound, you want to see your veterinarian to make sure you can get antibiotics for the infection.